Cleared for Scorpion delivery. Proceed to Dock 3.
Easy on the crate. Scorpions hate rough rides.
Healthy batch. 500 giants, all Venom ready.
Fresh scorpions to holding room. No spills.
Acclimate them 24 hours before milking.
Optimal conditions. Ready for venom extraction tomorrow.
Gentle grip. Tail up for safe milking.
Venom flowing. Pure grade A extract.
Batch hitting targets. Keep rhythm steady.
Spinning at 5,000 RPM for purity.
Crystal clear now. Impurities gone.
Potency confirmed. 99.8% pure venom.
Freeze drying stabilizes for storage.
Perfect powder form. Stable for months.
Venom plus hyaluronic acid for joint relief.
Syringes dosing exact 1 ml Venom blend.
Labels perfect. Trackable to Scorpion source.
Blister sealed for pharmacy shelves.
All doses uniform. No rejects today.
Testing 24-month stability now.
Batch certified, ready for distribution. QC approved batch packs into shipping boxes with tamper-evident seals, completing final packaging operations.
Secure storage at controlled temp.
Full trace from Scorpion to syringe approved.
Cycle restarts. Sustainable scorpion farming.
Each drop fights joint pain somewhere.
Calibrated for max separation.
Microgram accuracy every vial. Flow rate perfect. Sterile output. Shipping box tower grows steadily on pallet, ready for outbound truck loading.
Automated wrapper spins protective film layers, securing pallet load for safe transit.
Finished pallets load into reefer truck, departing for nationwide pharmacy distribution.
Scorpion pens refreshed with sterile substrate maintain optimal venom production habitat. Precision milking extracts pure venom beads from scorpion tail. Perfected technique.
Factory-wide symphony. Machines hum in perfect harmony, mastering the integrated process.
Finished syringe gleams perfectly under inspection light, ready for patient joint pain relief.
Factory shifts seamlessly to night. Lights blaze on 24/7 production for arthritis relief.